Cheers! It is an extra reason to celebrate today. Inside this package from Amigastore.eu there is something I have wanted the world to have for years. It is a brand new mechanical keyboard for the Amiga 1200. If you are interested in getting your own mechanical keyboard for the A1200, you can visit Amigastore.eu. But it seems they're already out of stock. Just a few days it took to sell every keyboard they make. I hope this is not one of those products that comes and goes and it's hard to get. As you can see, they come in blue, red and brown khailh switches. Let's first open it and have a look at what's inside the package. Here is the package. Looks very nice. I have the version with the silver steel plate and blue switches. It is designed by, I'm not sure how to pronounce this name. Could it be Sergej? I hope I pronounced that correctly. The keyboard has khailh switches, which is of very high quality. And let's open it. Oh, looks wonderful. It came with some, oh, what's this? Oh, it's probably from the pen I put on the packaging to cover my name. It's not from this. It came with some stickers. This was quite a cool one, actually. Very nice. It seems one of the keys has come loose during transportation. So I'll need to pop this back in. Just need to study how it's supposed to go in. It's like this, I think. And then I just use a tool to, or like this. Yes, like this. And then all fixed, nothing broken, luckily. And here is the connection to the A1200. And as you can see, it has an extra control key. I think the reason for that is to be able to have standardized keycaps. Oh, this feels very nice. There seems to be, it seems you can use the control output to something else. The second control key. That's interesting. I need to read up on that. Oh, this feels fantastic. Hold on. So this is the A1200. And there is a bit of color differences on this old keyboard, but the feel is night and day. Let me take this out. This is an A500 keyboard that was in this case. The A5 keyboard is basically the same as the A1200 keyboard. As some of those of you that are watching may or may have not noticed, there is nothing inside the case. I have talked a bit about it in other videos, that my A1200 got lost in mail, in transportation, which is a catastrophe. But I do have plans for something to go in here. But right now, I will only be able to see how well it fits the case. And look at that. It's amazing. Let me... There is some resonance in the case as it's empty. But the feel is just fantastic. Fantastic. I love the feel of this. I wish I had an A1200 in here, but I can tell you that in just, I would say a few weeks, but time flies when you're waiting for something. I am waiting for something to go in this case. And I will, of course, show you. But I got this in the mail today and I just needed to open it and show you guys, because this is fantastic. And it is night and days compared to the original. I can't wait to use this. So that's as far as I'm able to test it. I can't test if it actually works. I hope it does. It would be a shame if it didn't. Anyway, just a very quick unboxing video thing. I just wanted to show you this. I'm so excited about all of this. What do you think I'm going to put in this case? I can tell you one thing. It's not going to be a Raspberry Pi. And it's not going to be a PC running some kind of UIE, WinUIE, FSUIE, anything like that. This is the part where good YouTubers will tell you, click subscribe to see what's happening next to this A1200 case. But I won't do that. Or did I? Anyways, cheers and celebrate with me on this fine, fine evening. And I hope you have a fine evening as well.